This is a message regarding coronavirus or COVID-19. We'd like to thank you all as the Ceredigion people for staying at home at this difficult time. This will help control the spread of coronavirus to your wider family, to your friends and to the community at large, and most particularly at this difficult time to the more vulnerable people in our community. We need you to act now to save lives. For the latest updates on the coronavirus here in Ceredigion, please go to our website www.ceredigion.gov.uk, but you can also follow us on Facebook, on Twitter and on Instagram. But whatever you do, please stay apart to play your part.